Alright, you getting them? Anything coming up?
We get them. We're getting in line, baby.
Oh, you're fucking them up.
I think it's a shark.
Oh, it's succubus. It's succubus. Can you go over that? Oh, you can't.
Oh, look what it is.
What is it?
Fucking believable. Hold that. It's a sailfish.
Oh, it's a sailfish. Oh, his stuff. Yes, yes, motherfucker, get him. Yes. Oh, you fucking fuck. Oh, don't lose him. Don't lose him.
Unbelievable.
Oh, fuck. It's a sailfish.
Yee.
Oh, you fucking Superman. Get him. Get him. Where is this motherfucker?
Look, he's right off the bow. Hurry up. Go
Yeah, oh, I'm gonna fall overboard. Yeah, I see him. I see him. I don't know if it can take it. Oh, his stuff was fucking.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
Oh.
Our shark turned into a sailfish.
Well,
when you hear the line start screaming, he's going to jump. I'm aiming the rod right where he's going. There he goes. Going deep.
This is a shitty camera on this fuck you phone, you know?
He's going to jump somewhere. Look at the fucking line.
How far does it take us?
Start the engine. Hang on.
Oh, start the engine. The other one's coming up!
Get it!
What the fuck?
Calm down.
What the fuck? Ah! Ah! I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna leave the video on. Ah, you stupid motherfucker! Stop it!
Here, he's jumping again, baby.
Ah! There's another fish!
All
There's
right.
another fish! Ah!
Hey, this other line ain't down, is it?
Ah!
That's right. Don't
Ah!
reel when he's taking line.
Ah! Oh, fuck, I lost him. I think I lost him.
Just keep reeling.
You got the motherfucking line, you asshole! Ah! You fuck! Ah!
Somebody put this fucking thing in my way.
Fuck! You off the hook, you fuck! Ah!
You need to get this off for
I gotta
me.
get the sailfish. Let's get the
Come
sailfish.
up, you need to get this off for me.
What? This?
This fucking tangle. Cut it. Something.
Fuck, let me get it. Get your hands out of here.
Fucking pain in the ass is just dangling out there. Cut the motherfucker.
Give me the knife.
I don't know what the
Give
fucking
me
knife.
this pliers. I'll cut this. Fuck.
Cut the line. Not close down here. Cut it.
Ah! Got it.
Fucking pain in the ass.
Fuck this. Fuck this. Ah, you motherfucker. How far is it?
Damn it all, he's out there. That's right.
He won't cut him no more. He's out there?
Yeah. He's straight out toward the sun, unfortunately.
You motherfucker. Come on, should I start the engine? Should I follow him?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
Where am I going?
Toward the pole.
Jesus.
Toward the fish.
Oh, I gotta get him. Let me
Nice and slow. So you don't go
towards
too...
your pole, just point your pole.
Yes,
and I
it's that way, toward the sun. He's out there somewhere.
Oh, fuck. He's gonna get tired, isn't he? Should I go fast?
No, I have to reel the line in.
Okay.
Okay, stay with the way you're going, that direction.
Okay.
Left, more, left.
I'm going left. Yes, I'm going left. Whatever you're doing, I'm doing this. I'm gonna
We're not
repeat.
catching up line, we're good.
I
This
just
fucking
got.
rod has to disappear. Off the, now stop, 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 stop.
Let me get this rod out of here.
Put it right there.
I got you. Let me get this motherfucker. Here, I got him.
Fuck this up good.
Ah,
He's gonna
motherfucker.
jump again.
Hold on. I gotta take a video. Oh, yeah. Fishing with Joe, right?
Yeah. Unbelievable. You know what I thought it was at first?
Should I go first? Should I go follow him?
You can follow him a little bit.
Oh, you little shit. No shit. Look how cool he is.
Yeah.
He's super fucking cool.
Yeah. And we need gloves somewhere.
Oh, shit.
That's all right. I got gloves.
Fight him.
I will.
Don't let him go.
I got gloves right there.
Oh, you shitting me.
Now, when he comes up near the boat, film him under the water.
Well, I can't stick my phone underwater. It'll
You can
fuck
film
me.
him from here if you see him. Take a right. Toward the sun.
I am.
Not too much. Okay. Go directly at the sun. No, slow it down. Idle. Neutral.
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 It's a neutral.
Here he is. He's right here.
Here.
Here, film him.
I am. Oh, he's going under the bar.
Film him.
I am.
He's gonna jump again.
I am.
Get ready.
Oh, he's going around. He's going around.
Get this fucker out of here. Hurry up.
I got a hook up with my arm, but that's okay.
Hang
I
on,
don't
stay
care.
still.
Oh, you little shit, huh?
Fuck.
Should I get
behind the boat?
I got a fucking hook in me.
Hang on, stay still.
I gotta work on him. I got you. I got him. I got this shit.
Jesus, we almost lost it because of your power pole.
Well, you gotta kind of go around it, though.
I know. Look at he's up on top. See him?
Hold on, I will. I gotta get this
Look at it.
fucking shit.
Look at his fin on top. Good video. You're missing it.
Alright.
See? He stayed up for you.
No shit. He's fucking gonna take forever to get tired, though.
No, he's not. He was almost tired just then, but it's not a problem.
Fuck, let me put this rod back in. I put it low so you don't have to fucking...
Put it up against here. We don't have to worry about it.
Yeah. Fuck, I got
You
this.
gotta keep. You'll learn. You gotta keep him off the gunner.
I know, well, to get...
Okay, look. He's right there under the surface, right where the line is. If you hear the drag start to go, he's gonna jump again.
What a dick. No shit, huh?
Yeah.
One fight like this worth the whole fucking day going out, though, I tell you.
Believe it, and hopefully we get
Oh
him.
my god, it's so cool.
Hopefully you get him and you take a picture of it. Now you're not.
All I have is a net. I don't want to kill him.
We're gonna grab him by his bill. See those gloves behind you? Get ready. He's gonna go.
He's gonna jump.
Yeah. Just
Ah, you little
starting to
shit.
go. He's just pulling directly away. Just keep watching where the pole's aiming. Him go faster?
Yeah. Oh, he's
ready.
still tough as fuck,
He
though. I
might do
tell
a
you.
half jump or something.
He'll give you more fight than that.
I mean, he's taking line. He ain't following us.
No shit. Well, he is, but he's not even. You're letting him like take a break, but you can't stop him either. He'll rip the line right out of there.
Wow, he's getting worn down.
Well, no shit. Should I follow him? Are you
no,
okay?
We're good.
You think
We'll try
okay?
to pull him in for now. I got a lot of line on the reel, so I'm good that way. Uh-oh.
You didn't lose him. Oh, he's
He
moving
dove.
again. Huh?
Hey, this kind of shit, we need all the walkway clear. He's coming toward us now. Every fucking thing that can fuck you up, you gotta move. Get ready. He's right there, right? He's just under the surface. Got it. There he is. There's his fin. Can you see it?
Well, I'm watching into a phone, and it's kind
Okay,
of
this fucking hook
succubus.
here will kill us too. Okay, he's out there to the left of the sun. Pretty soon he'll maybe be able to stand up there and film straight down to the water and get him over the bow. Film him in the water. Here, go right to the bow. You're going to be able to see him in the water. See him?
Yeah. I see him in the water. I don't know if the camera sees him, but I'm trying to see him.
Now the
I see him. Yeah, I see the fin and shit. There he is. Oh, look, he's still fighting. What a dick.
Yep.
Oh, you fish.
Now you got to be able to see him good.
Oh, yeah, he's right there, dude. Oh, you shithead. Come on, man, dude.
Oh, look at him go.
This is so cool, dude. No shit.
Isn't that something?
No shit.
You did it, baby.
Look at him. Whoa. Wow, dude. This is badass.
I'm glad.
I hope I got it on the video.
Oh, you
dude.
did. Up in front was awesome. You're right on top of him. Here he goes again.
Oh, he's gonna fight, dude.
Oh, yeah, he is. He's just under the surface. You can see the color. He's gonna jump again.
Oh my god.
Okay, turn the boat around.
Fuck. Yeah, I see him on top
Nice
still.
and idle toward him, that's all.
That way?
Just turn it completely around.
I am.
Get up on the bow. Head straight to him until we get a lot of line.
Oh, I see him. Uh-huh. I'm gonna keep turning it.
I'll tell you, you just
Oh, no shit.
head to where the pole is aimed.
Oh my god, it's so cool. Wow.
Okay.
Straighten it out. I'll straighten it out.
Get out, and you're gonna go to neutral soon.
Uh-huh.
Not yet, though.
I'm not really going that fast, but I don't want to go too much faster. Just follow the line.
Left.
Uh-huh. I'm following it.
Tell you, just do what I say. We're good. Neutral.
Got him. Oh, you got him closer to the boat?
Oh, he's a lot closer. He's right there.
Oh my god, that's a badass shit, dude. I gotta tell you.
And now the wind's gonna.
There
fall.
he is, there he is.
Yeah. Yeah.
He's underwater. I don't know if you
He
can
had
see
a
him.
great jump when he was close.
Oh, I got them both, though. I got it all, man.
Good.
I got it all. There he is.
Okay, keep moving around. I'm coming your way.
Oh, I'm getting out of your way, dude.
Here he goes again. You ready?
He's gonna jump. He's gonna jump.
Well,
No, I
second
see him.
line.
I see him.
He went deep.
Oh, he's deep.
He's deep. Now you gotta make sure you don't break out. If I come your way, you just here he is.
Oh,
right
I
here.
see him. I see him. I see him.
Come around in front here.
Yep. I see him. I hope the sun is not fucking up the picture. He's right in there. I see him right down
I
under
gotta go.
the
I
water.
gotta go. Get under the bow.
No shit, huh? Oh, I see him. He's coming to me.
I'm trying to keep him close right now.
I'm telling you, he's still got tons of strength. He'll
Come
fight.
up, he's jumping. He's coming to the surface.
He's still got a ton of strength.
If I get him over on this other side, you're gonna get some good footage up close.
Telling you, he's gonna get an hour of this video easily.
Look, he's right off the bow.
There he is, yeah.
Yep, so get ready. I don't want to
I see him. I wonder if that camera can
Oh, there's
see.
a second one underneath him.
I see him. No way.
Yeah. Look at the other one's right there.
Oh my God, what if they...
Look,
Oh,
three
I
of them.
see him. They both there.
3 of them.
No shit. They came to fight for their friend, I think. Shit.
Gave the fight for their friend.
Oh my God, dude. This is a battle.
Hang on. Look at,
Oh my God.
they're rooting them on. Get ready. Do a jump. Could come up anywhere. That's going deep.
Oh my God. He's gonna break that. He's gonna break that.
No, he's not.
I hope he don't break it so we can get the shit out of his mouth and let him go.
No. God, I can't believe how much he's going. Holy shit. Where did he get that power
I
from?
told you, he's tough.
I hope a shark ain't taking him.
No.
Okay, here. He's starting to give. Okay, he wore himself out.
Oh, he went deep.
Yeah.
Oh, he went deep.
But now he may pop up just anywhere.
Oh my God, poor guy. He's so big.
Oh, yeah.
Well, he's not that big. I've seen him bigger, but this one's super cool.
Yeah. I can't believe we just saw 2 other ones next to him. I've never seen that, ever.
Yeah.
They came in like dolphins.
They came in, yeah, to watch what's going on.
You might have to move your foot in a second.
I guess he's
Look at
got...
the birds. Remember I said
I guess
birds?
he's got friends, man.
He's got friends in low places. The ocean.
Yeah.
You know, while he did that, I gotta get close.
Well, yeah, I gotta go on the bow. I gotta go on the bow. Oh, yeah, he's tough, I'm telling you. He's not gonna give that up easily. He'll fight. Get some water, perhaps.
It's unbelievable how he's going. It almost like his buddies grabbed the line with him.
I know! Like he increased into a strength.
Yeah. God, he went deep. I wonder if he... I don't know. That's kind of odd. What's going on?
Well, they couldn't help him because they don't have hands. They can't really use their strength to enforce him. So he's on his own, but I know.
Kind of weird. Gotta ease him up.
Yeah, ease him up. He's got another hour on you, buddy, easily. I'm telling you.
Easy. This might be his final thing. He might come right in now.
No way.
If I get him on.
Should I put a glove on?
You can, but if you keep filming, yeah, put a glove on and then I'll hand him off to you.
I have one hand empty, the right one I can use. The other one I'm using the phone to
I can't believe it.
Morgan Ditch took the damn GoPro. I wanted to put a GoPro on it. We wouldn't have to deal with this bullshit right
Yeah, that's
now.
cool. I can't believe how deep.
But this is sucks. That the phone.
My God, he was almost. I thought we had him.
We had him, No way.
Look at him. What the fuck?
I'm telling you, they big fish.
Yeah.
They know what's up.
I caught a few, but they usually don't go down like this.
Oh my God, this is super cool. This 16 minutes you've been working on this thing
crazy.
so far. Because I got sick. I don't know how many minutes that phone can take. Video.
Yeah. Well, I got my phone too up there.
I don't know how to
look,
use
he's
it.
coming
I'll
up,
be
I think.
screwed.
See how the line dangling out now? But he's coming up. Who knows where he's. There could be a big bow in the line. You just don't know.
My God, this thing tough, huh?
He is. I would have thought he'd been worn out after all that jumping before.
Nuh-uh.
Ready, off the bow now, right where I'm aiming. He could come up anywhere. He's coming up.
Is he?
Yeah, look at the line. See how the line's scoping out? Get ready. It's scoping out fast. Look at him go.
I see him. He's
Get
tough.
ready. Get ready. Here, go faster.
He don't want to go on the surface.
Get ready. Got to be there any minute. There, where is he?
Oh, got him. Wow.
Yeah, he was trying to go deep.
No shit.
And now he came up to try to shake it. Oh, and I saw it. Look, there's sailfish behind him over there.
I know, it's his buddies.
Crazy.
Oh my God.
Saying right now to his
I
buddy.
tell you what, if I had another line out right now, we
you
would
have
get
one.
another one.
Well,
I got a mess in those rigs now.
you do?
Yeah, well, because I cut one, another one's all fucked up. But it's okay, let's finish this guy up. Be nice of what we have. Be happy of what we have.
Right. He's coming in kind of fast there for a little bit. He was swimming toward me. Get him up on the surface here, we get him close.
He jumped, I got that jump too.
Look, he's coming toward us. Uh-oh, he's gonna jump again. Still
Oh, there he is, there he is.
Yeah, but the other one was right there. Look at the other one behind.
Yeah, I see him. That is the second one. Right there. There he is. 2 of them. 3 of them. Look at them both.
Him and 2 more.
Right there.
Yeah.
Right there.
So hey,
Oh my God.
when they get close,
Right there.
then you can film them all.
Oh shit. Why are they all together?
But they're together.
No shit. Why?
They hunt packs too.
Oh, they hunt?
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at what.
So this must be
Ready,
very
ready,
important.
Coming up.
Very important
Ready.
fish.
You watching?
Yeah, I'm watching. I'm taking a video of
Look at
this
the other
shit.
one out
There, I see him. That's not the one.
It's a whole pack of them.
That's not the one.
I know it.
Those the other one. Oh my God.
Yeah, there's mine right on top.
I'm trying to see. I can't see shit through this
When
phone.
they get closer, they'll be right up next to the boat.
This is such a sucky ass screen and shit.
Did yours have a metal leader on it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's got a good rig on the end of that, but yeah, it's metal, it's not coming off. As long as the line don't break, that shit will stay on. That fish is not coming off that hook. We gotta get him in to get him off.
I know, we gotta get coming in now. Let's go.
I got this shit set up good. This is my rig.
I know it.
Because Morgan's you didn't want to use, or Mandy's, and the other one broke the tip. And that one was the only one that was rigged up decent. Oh, no shit, huh?
Yeah. No. Get up on the bow and look for those other. I can go over your head.
Way out.
No, you're good. Stay there.
I can stay low like that.
He's coming around.
I just can't.
He is right
there.
there.
He is. Yeah,
Look,
right
the
there.
other ones are right on him.
Right, I know. He is right there. Look at them two.
Good.
Three of them right there. I'm taking them video right now.
Yep,
Look at them. All three of them. They following them. Four. There's 4 of them. Dude, there's 4 of them. There's 4 of them.
That's unbelievable.
They following him. They want him back.
Oh, my, they really do. That's our leader.
They
We'll let him
pissed.
go. Just let us catch him.
Well, I'm not cutting the line because he may die from that. I
No.
gotta get the hook out.
No, we ain't gonna die from any hook. But anyways, the hook will rust out. But look at this. I gotta get them up close. You can get some good footage of all those.
Well, are they gonna follow?
Yeah, they'll come right in. They're coming right in with them now. You stay right where you are. Don't move. Don't move.
They just don't want to lose them, though.
I know, they're right there. I see them.
Wow.
I see them just under the surface.
He
Gotta get them close.
He must be like a general or something.
The Russians, they stick together.
Yeah, right? This must be very important.
He's gonna jump again.
Fish.
Ready? Watch him. Watch him. There he goes. Get ready. He's just under the surface. There he is.
Wow, he's tough. Look, he's moving the boat.
Yep.
Oh my God. This is super cool.
Get ready. Here he goes.
Yeah, I see him. Well, I don't see
They
him.
start taking drag. You know, he might come up jumping, but he's pretty worn out. He's not even jumping. Okay, he got his head turned. That's why he's coming to us.
I see him. You're pulling them out sometimes.
This time, hopefully, he's going to come right in. We're going to get pictures of his friends.
If I put glasses on, I can't see
just
shit on
stay
my
there.
screen, so I gotta
He's
kind
going
of
to be
keep.
right up here. Alex, I'm going to come your way. Get behind me.
I see him. I see him.
This is the best lighting. The sun's at our back. There's one behind him. They needed to get him a little bit more.
Well, I'm trying to hit right
No.
there, though.
I know.
I don't know if it'll take the video underwater.
You'll see him right now. But now, where's his friend?
Oh, the friends, they come and go, though.
Okay, that's fine. We want to get a picture of his friends along the boat.
Yeah, that would be cool, but the friends are gone for now.
Well, they're here somewhere.
They're
They
not
gotta be
far.
right here.
They're here. They're coming back. They're not gonna let this dude go for some
Yeah,
reason.
the one with the weight gun.
Oh, he's tired. He's starting to get tired.
Start.
Yeah, he's tired as fuck. Okay. Oh, there they are. There they are. There's one here.
Now he's
One
going
here.
under the boat.
Oh, shit.
It's all right. We're all right. He's coming back out.
There
Ready?
he is. There he is. I'm taking him video right there. There he is. Wow. He's a
moving
pretty good
forward.
size, though.
Oh, he is. He's a tough one.
Yeah, he's a pretty good size. Look at him.
Yeah.
And there is his body right there.
Yeah,
right there.
cool. That's
Right
cool.
there. Right here. There she is following him.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Isn't it cool, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. I wonder why she's following him. Like,
Yeah, but it's not only hers. The other ones too.
what, they have feelings or some shit?
Well, they naturally go into school, I guess.
No shit.
He's turning sideways every so often. See the white of his belly.
I don't know if anybody's gonna let me put the video out 24 minutes long. But this is worth it though.
You guys can't edit it.
Fuck, man. Well, I think Mandy could. I don't know. I don't want to try. I want to go get more fish.
Oh, I know.
Rather than fucking around in front of the computer. That's super stupid.
No, man.
I'd rather make videos like that and have somebody else edit them.
Sucker, man. Oh. I never thought it was on this long.
No shit. This is super cool, man.
Get ready to film.
Wow.
His other friends can't be far behind.
I got 24 minutes of this.
Yeah, let me go over you.
Alright, can you do it like that?
Yeah.
I think it can't take the video though underwater.
Oh, look at him. Head shakes. He's giving it up.
Uh-huh, giving them up. He's taking you down.
There he is. Coming up.
Look at him. Oh, he's pissed. He's still
He
pissed.
is, but we gotta be careful because he's still, for whatever reason, got a lot of life to him.
Well, we gotta. Fuck, should I get the pliers?
No, just wait. He's almost in, just wait. He certainly don't want to come in.
No, he don't. Neither does his girlfriend. Want him to come in, but we gotta get him in to get him undone.
We'll grab him first. You worry about grabbing everything else later.
So he can go hunt more. Give somebody else a good time, huh?
Yeah.
No shit. Wow. There he is.
Yeah. Here, let me go underneath me.
It's okay, go. I got it. I know how to hide around here.
Filming?
Yep, I am.
Grab the pole.
I got it. Fuck. I'm filming and holding that pole.
Hey, I got him.
You got him? What do you need, pliers?
No, I don't need anything right now. Just film it. Take some photos.
I'm filming it. Should I take photos too?
Yeah.
Fuckers wants to go down. What if I stick that thing in a rod holder?
Go ahead.
I can?
Yeah.
You gotta come closer to me.
Loosen the drag. Put it in the rod hole.
Got him.
Come on, you ready now?
Yeah, hold on. I got him.
All right.
You want photos? I'm taking video. It's flat out video, dude.
That's fine.
Shit, look at the size of this guy.
So I need a photo to
Okay, let me take a photo
No,
then.